Which of the following is not a PowerPoint slide transition sound option? A. Applause. B. Chime. C. Drum roll. D. Explosion. Correct answer A. Applause. Which toolbar provides various options in different master views? A. Standard toolbar. B. Formatting toolbar. C. Drawing toolbar. D. Common tasks toolbar. Correct answer D. Common tasks toolbar. What is the default PowerPoint standard layout? A. Blank. B. Title slide. C. Title only. D. Comparison. Correct answer B. Title slide. Which types of templates provides all the users with a design concept, color scheme, and fonts for presentation? A. Content. B. Format. C. Normal. D. Design. Correct answer D. Design. The PowerPoint view that displays only text, title and bullets is A. Outline view. B. Notes page view. C. Slide sorter. D. Slide show. Correct answer A. Outline view. Which of the following is not a PowerPoint slide background option? A. Solid color. B. Gradient color. C. Pattern. D. Picture. Correct answer B. Gradient color. What is the max zoom percentage in MS PowerPoint? A. 400%. B. 300%. C. 200%. D. 100%. Correct answer A. 400%. Which of the following shortcut keys is used to end a PowerPoint presentation? A. Tab. B. HYPEN. C. Comma. D. Escape. Correct answer D. Escape. The file that consists of ready-made styles that we can easily use for our presentation is known as A. Pre-formatting. B. Template. C. Wizard. D. Auto style. Correct answer B. Template. To center the selected text, the shortcut key is dash. A. Ctrl plus C. B. Ctrl plus E. C. Ctrl plus O. D. Ctrl plus U. Correct answer B. Ctrl plus E. Which of these options in PowerPoint would allow us to carry any set of slides from a given computer to another one? A. Web and go. B. Pack and go. C. Save and go. D. Save as. Correct answer B. Pack and go. Which of the following is not a PowerPoint file extension? A. .ppt. B. .pptx. C. .pps. D. .pdf. Correct answer D. .pdf. The shortcut to add new slide in PowerPoint is dash. A. Ctrl plus N. B. Ctrl plus M. C. Ctrl plus L. D. Ctrl plus Z. Correct answer B. Ctrl plus M. Which type of view is not present in MS PowerPoint? A. Extreme animation. B. Slide show. C. Slide sorter. D. Normal. Correct answer A. Extreme animation. Which of the following is not a PowerPoint tool? A. Smart Art. B. Clip art. C. Word art. D. Image art. Correct answer D. Image art. In PowerPoint, the header and footer button can be found on the Insert tab in what group? A. Tables group. B. Text group. C. Object group. D. Illustrations group. Correct answer B. Text group. The slide that is used to introduce a topic and set the tone for the presentation is called the A. Title slide. B. Bullet slide. C. Table slide. D. Graph slide. Correct answer A. Title slide. Which of the following is not a PowerPoint animation effect? A. Fly in. B. Dissolve. C. Blink. D. Zoom. Correct answer C. Blink. Which of the following is not a PowerPoint shape? A. Circle. B. Triangle. C. Diamond. D. Rectangle. Correct answer C. Diamond. Which of the following is not a PowerPoint chart type? A. Line. B. Area. C. Curve. D. Bar. Correct answer C. Curve. Which of these is the page setup orientation by default of the slides in PowerPoint? A. Landscape. B. Portrait. C. Vertical. D. None of the above. Correct answer A. Landscape. Which of the following is not a PowerPoint animation option? A. Entrance. B. Exit. C. Emphasis. D. Sound. Correct answer D. Sound. Which of these PowerPoint features would allow any user to create a given simple presentation quicker? A. Animations. B. Chart wizard. C. Transition wizard. D. Auto content wizard. Correct answer D. Auto content wizard. Which of the following is not a PowerPoint animation timing option? A. Delay. B. Duration. C. Speed. D. Start time. Correct answer C. Speed. Which of these is a type of sound file? A. DAT files. B. Log files. C. DRV files. D. WAV files. Correct answer D. WAV files. Which of the following is not a PowerPoint image format? A. JPEG. B. BMP. C. PDF. D. PNG. Correct answer C. PDF. Which of these sections does a slide layout not have? A. Lists. B. Animations. C. Titles. D. Charts. Correct answer B. Animations. Which of the following is not a PowerPoint text alignment option? A. Justify. B. Center. C. Bottom. D. Top. Correct answer C. Bottom. The handout master consists of placeholders for all of these except the A. Title. B. Slide number. C. Header. D. Footer. Correct answer A. Title. Which of the following is not a PowerPoint handout option? A. 1 slide per page. B. 2 slides per page. C. 3 slides per page. D. 4 slides per page. Correct answer C. 3 slides per page. A PowerPoint design template is stored in any file with dash extensions. A.POT, B.PTT, C.DTP, D.PPT. Correct answer A.POT. Which of the following is not a PowerPoint master slide type? A. Title slide, B. Section header slide, C. Footer slide, D. Content slide. Correct answer C. Footer slide. In MS PowerPoint presentations, the designs regulate the layout and formatting for the slide. These are commonly known as A. Blueprints, B. Placeholders, C. Templates, D. Design plates. Correct answer C. Templates. Which of these refers to the PowerPoint view used for displaying only the text, title and bullets? A. Slide sorter show, B. Slide view, C. Outline view, D. Notes page view. Correct answer C. Outline view. Which of these features should one use when we want to type in the text box for notes? A. Insert, B. Slide shows, C. Zoom, D. Slide master. Correct answer C. Zoom.